Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Building System for busy professionals. To begin with, busy professionals often want to build wealth, but they may not have enough time to constantly monitor the market. Therefore, a simple dividend wealth building system can help create income, manage risk, and grow long-term wealth with a disciplined and repeatable approach. First, set your goals clearly. Decide whether your focus is monthly dividend income, long-term wealth growth, or a balance of both. At the same time, match your strategy with your work schedule, risk tolerance, and realistic time horizon. Next, automate your investing process as much as possible. For example, you can use recurring contributions and automatic dividend reinvestment if it fits your plan. As a result, automation can reduce emotional decisions and help you stay consistent even when your schedule is busy. After that, choose quality dividend stocks carefully. Look for companies with strong earnings, reliable free cash flow, and a solid history of dividend payments. On the other hand, avoid weak businesses that offer high yields but do not have enough financial strength to support them. Then, diversify smartly across different sectors and investment types. Instead of depending on one stock, mix dividend stocks with dividend ETFs and spread your investments across multiple industries. This helps balance yield, stability, and risk. In addition, track your cash flow regularly. Know your dividend payment dates, estimate your monthly income, separate spending from reinvestment decisions, and monitor tax impact. This makes your dividend plan easier to manage and more useful for real-life financial planning. Furthermore, control portfolio risk with simple rules. Set position size limits, review debt levels, check payout ratios, and rebalance when needed. Similarly, keeping some cash reserves can provide flexibility during market volatility or unexpected expenses. At the same time, review your portfolio efficiently. Schedule quick monthly checks and deeper quarterly reviews instead of watching the market every day. During these reviews, watch for dividend cuts, weak earnings, overconcentration, and changes in your personal financial goals. Finally, focus on building long-term wealth. Reinvest surplus income when possible, stay consistent through market ups and downs, and allow compounding to work over time. In other words, durable results come from patience, quality investments, and disciplined habits. Overall, a strong dividend wealth building system for busy professionals depends on automation, quality, diversification, reliable cash flow, scheduled reviews, and a long-term mindset. Meanwhile, common mistakes include chasing very high yields, buying without research, relying on one stock, ignoring payout safety, overtrading, and neglecting portfolio reviews. In conclusion, dividend wealth building works best when the system is simple, consistent, and easy to repeat. By saving time, generating income, managing risk, and staying focused on long-term growth, busy professionals can build wealth without making investing overly complicated. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.